Hello everyone, welcome back to the Global Studio YouTube channel. Today we will learn a simple trick to export an AutoCAD table into an Excel sheet. So watch the entire video until the end and don't forget to subscribe if you like the trick. So without any delay, let's jump into the video. To convert the table, the first step is to create one using the correct method. As you can see, I have two tables here. Make sure your table matches the first one. To create a table, simply use the table command. Modify the configuration according to your requirement and complete the step. Enter the values inside the table as shown here. Now to convert this table into an Excel sheet, you need a list file. I have attached the list file code in the description. You guys can copy the code from there. Now to create the list file, open Notepad and copy the provided code into the file. Save it and change the extension to .lsp. That's it. Now you have the list file. For more information about the list files, you can also watch other videos on YouTube. Now use the upload command to load the list file into AutoCAD. Navigate to the folder where you saved the list file. Select it and load the file. Next, type the table export command and select the table you have created. When prompted, save the file in appropriate folder and the exported file will be in CSV format. Finally, open the file to verify that the export was successful. As you can see, the file has been properly exported with all the details. That's it. And with this, we have reached the end of the video. Please do subscribe if you like the video. Thank you. We will meet again in the next video. Until then, bye bye.